Hey guys, it's Bree the Coupon Queen and welcome back to my channel. We are going to go over the 7 must-do deals for CVS next week. The cash card deal is back. I have 2 different scenarios for that as well. One is very beginner friendly using no CRTs. The other one has some CRTs in there as well. So for any couponing level, definitely going to be some hot deals in this video for you. If you're not subscribed yet, make sure you take a second, hit that subscribe button and give the video a big thumbs up for me. If you guys have any questions, of course, throughout, make sure you guys drop a comment. So let's go ahead and dive right into these deals. I did want to update you guys on one thing quickly first. I did call CVS customer service. I told you guys I would keep you updated on that about the issues with my extra bucks. So I know a lot of you have been running into, of course, the same issues. What I've been dealing with is that my extra bucks would print at the end of the receipt like normal, but when I would go to use my extra bucks, they would scan as an error code saying that I've either already used them or that they were expired past 14 days, which wasn't the case. Some of them still haven't even expired, but they're not working for some reason. And I know it has to do with all of those glitches going on. So on Sunday, the manager let me know, hey, call customer service. They'll see if they can help you. She tried to call in the store, but of course I shopped late on Sunday and they were already closed. When I called, long story short, the first woman after 10 minutes said, well, you should have called us when that happened. So I explained to her, we did try to call you, but you were closed. So, obviously that's not our fault. The manager tried to help as well. I got disconnected. I called back another 35 minutes later of kind of going back and forth with another woman. They had to put me on hold like 4 different times for like 5 minutes each. Then they had to call the store, try to talk to the manager and verify, just a whole shebang, which I'm like, I don't know. It was just super off-putting to me. I'm a CarePass member. I shop with them once or twice a week for the last 9 months. And I had about $100 in extra bucks that wasn't working. So I was spending a lot more out of pocket. And they only credited me back 50 bucks. So because of all their different glitches and stuff, I wound up losing $50, which to me is kind of crazy. That's not really a very good customer service to your mistakes and, tech issues and things like that. And then I wound up losing out when I'm a loyal, CVS shopper. So that was super off-putting. Hopefully they're getting it fixed because really kind of getting over it with CVS and they were my favorite store to coupon at. So fingers crossed, drop comments. Let me know how it's working out for you guys. Are the extra bucks working? Are they not? Let's make sure that we kind of keep everyone up to date so we all know what we're going to be expecting when we go shopping. Now, first deal is on the Tresemme. So we are getting an instant coupon at the Redbox Center. Hopefully your red boxes have been fixed and they're working. Once you scan your extra care card or type in your phone number, you're going to get a $3 off 2 for the Tresemme, an instant coupon. And this is for the Tresemme Professionals. So they're on sale 2 for $10. There is a 3 off of 2 digital coupon. Then you're going to use that instant coupon. Final cost is going to be $4 for both, or just $2 each. And the $10 does count towards CVS Beauty. If you have a $250 off of 8 or $250 off 10 Tresemme CRT, I put on card just because I sent mine to my card just so that I would remember for when I do my deals on Sunday. So if you do have that CRT and you put it towards it, you'll pay only $1.50 for both or 75 cents per bottle of shampoo, which I think is definitely an amazing deal. The next deal is on Maybelline. It's going to be a nice moneymaker. Very beginner friendly as well. What you would pick up because they're on sale. Oh, this is a typo. It says buy 3. It's supposed to be buy 2, get a $7 extra back. So you would pick up 2 of the Maybelline single eyeshadows. At my store, they're $4.19 each. Use a $1 off Maybelline coupon if you have it from the 3-1 Retail Me Not. We did have some that were printable on coupons.com. I've already used all mine, so I don't have those. If you do, definitely use one of those as well, and it would be an even bigger moneymaker for you. You're going to use the $3 instant coupon that is going to be printing. You can either use it for L'Oreal or Maybelline. So I chose to put it towards the Maybelline deal because it's going to make it a nice moneymaker. So this would be a great deal for any newbies starting out. You're going to pay $4.38 out of pocket, but you're going to get back $7 in extra bucks. So final cost is free and a $2.62 moneymaker. So that can definitely get your ball rolling to stack up on some extra bucks to use that for your next transactions to help lower your out-of-pocket cost. The next deal is on some Downy fabric softener. You can do the Tide Simply as well. I'm out of fabric softener, so I'm definitely going to pick up a bottle on Sunday. They're on sale $2.94. There is a $1 digital coupon, so final cost is $1.94. So anyone can do this deal. Make sure you download the CVS app. If you're not a member of the rewards program yet, you can sign up right on the app. It's super, super easy. Go to the coupons, and then make sure you clip all of these coupons. They will become available on Sunday. The next deal is going to be on the Schick disposable razors. They're on sale for $6.99, and buy 3, get a $5 extra back. So as you see right there in the picture, there is a $4 digital coupon. So you want to make sure that you clip that on Sunday. So what I'm going to put together, because of the CRT I have, I'm going to buy 1 of the Skintimate disposable razors and then 2 of the other Schick disposable razors. So they're going to be $6.99 each. You're going to use the $4 digital coupon, 2 $4 coupons from the 315 Smart Source inserts. You would have to buy at least 2 inserts to be able to use the 2 different coupons. Hopefully we have some printable available. We have some really good coupons coming, and sometimes the Schick and the Nexus become printable. So fingers crossed on that. Make sure you have that notification bell clicked and stay tuned on my channel for Sunday mornings. I go over all the different printable coupons, and hopefully some of the good coupons will be printable so we don't have to buy so many inserts. So with all of those coupons, no CRTs, you'll pay $8.97. Get back that $5 extra back. Final cost would be $1.32 each. Now, if you have a 3 off of 12 shave CRT and I have a $2 Skintimate razor CRT, that's why the first item I'm going to buy is the Skintimate razors. With both of those CRTs, I'm going to pay just $3.97, get back a $5 extra buck, so it's going to be free and a $1.03 moneymaker. The next deal I'm very, very excited about. Pampers are on sale, and it's a great, great deal. So they're 2 for $20, which is already going to save you about $3.20 for the CVS pricing, of course. Walmart is a little bit cheaper. They're on sale 2 for $20, and when you spend $20, you're going to get a $5 extra back. It is a limit of 1, so you can only do this deal once per extra care card. So picking up 2 of the Pampers diapers, you're going to use a 3 off of 2 digital coupon. Make sure you clip that, send it to your card. Without any CRTs, you'll pay $17, get back a $5 extra back. So final cost would be $12 or just $6 each. Now, I have a 3 off of 18 diaper CRT. I'm going to go ahead and pair that in with this deal. Pay $14 out of pocket. Get back the $5 extra back, so final cost is $9 for both, or just $4.50 per bag of diapers, which I think is definitely a great price point. I think the cheapest I've ever seen diapers that I posted for you guys is like $3.32 per bag, and that was at CVS when they were on sale for buy 3 get a $10 extra back. So that was a little bit of a better deal, but $4.50 is still a great, great price point for diapers. The next deal is another freebie that is very beginner friendly. Anyone can do this deal. They are on sale. It is the Crest Scope mouthwash. I believe it's the smaller ones because it doesn't say. Or the Oral-B toothbrushes. So they're on sale $2.99, and when you buy 2, you get a $3 extra back. There is another oral care deal for the larger Crest Scope, the 1 liter. I think they're $4.99, buy 2, get a $2 extra buck, something like that. But it is a different deal. So for this particular deal, it is a limit of 2, so you can do the deal up to 2 times. The Crest mouthwash is just what I'm going to buy. You can mix and match whichever you'd like. They're $2.99 each. Use a 3 off of 2 digital coupon. You'll pay $2.98, get back a $3 extra back. So final cost is absolutely free. Very, very excited about that because I'm out of mouthwash and Crest is my favorite. Another great mouthwash deal. There's 2 different ways you can do it, of course, with CRTs or without. So I'm going to go over both with you. This deal is a limit of 2, so you can do it up to 2 times. So it's on sale, buy one, get $1 extra back. So with CRTs, I have it posted right here. You'd buy 2 of the Colgate mouthwash at $3.99 each. Use 2 of the $2 coupons from the $3.15 Smart Source. Hopefully one is a digital. We'll have to see on Sunday. Use a 2 off of 6 mouthwash CRT. Pay $1.99, get back a $2 extra buck because you're doing the deal twice. So final cost for both of them is absolutely free. Now, the way it is printed in this photo right here, if you have no CRTs for this, it's $3.99. You would use the $2 coupon from the $3.15 Smart Source. You'd pay $1.99, get back $1 extra buck. So final cost would be just 99 cents, which I still think is a very, very good deal for some mouthwash. Okay, now I want to get into the cash card scenarios for you. So here are a couple rules for the cash card deals. Cash card is just like a gift card, so it's not attached to any account. You can earn it, give it to your mom, you can give it to your dad, your friend, whomever. You can gift it to someone, whatever you guys want to do. It is going to be an actual card, and it does not expire. So just like extra bucks expire, usually in about a month, this is just like a gift card. It does not expire, which is awesome. The last tip on these, it's not, you're going to print out the $10 like coupon code. I don't know how to explain it. On the bottom of your receipt, just like an extra buck. You want to rip it off your receipt right then and there before you leave. Once you get the receipt, rip it off, hand it back to the cashier. She has to get the $10 spring cash card, swipe it on the computer with that specific coupon code, and then you'll get the actual physical cash card, and then you can, leave and walk out of the store. But make sure you get that right then and there. That way you guys don't have any issues. If you guys do run into any issues, of course, make sure you drop a comment, and I will let you guys know on Sunday when I post my CVS haul. So if you want to wait for me, I'd be more than happy to, of course, share any glitches or issues that I run into. So let's go over this first scenario for you guys. Very beginner friendly. We're not using any CRTs. So one thing you would buy is the Downy Unstoppables. They are $5.94. One of the Tide 100 ounce, $11.94. One of the Gain Flings, they are $4.94. 2 of the Lysol wipes, if they have them, of course, the Lysol wipes, Clorox, toilet paper, a lot of the, pastas and things are kind of wiped out on the shelves because of the coronavirus and everything going on. I assume Sunday and all next week it's going to be the same. So fingers crossed that we have some. I do have like maybe 3 of the little 35 count tubs left, so I definitely do want to add a little bit to my stockpile. What you would do is pick up 2 of them. They're buy one, get one half off. So my store for the 35 count, they're $3.99. Second one would be $1.99. Then you would get 4 of the single puffs tissues. They are on sale for $5. Total for all of these is going to be $33.80. You're going to use a $1.50 digital for the Unstoppables, $2 digital for the Tide, a $1 printable coupon for the Gain Flings from pgeveryday.com, 2 of the 50-cent Lysol coupons from the 3/8 inserts, and a $1 off for digital for the puff tissues. You'll pay $27.30 out of pocket, get back that $10 cash card. Final cost is $17.30 or just $1.92 each. Now, that's definitely not a bad price point, especially when you're getting that 100 ounces of the Tide liquid. And that's what's going to make that a little bit higher out of pocket, but still a great, great deal for the cash card scenario. And here is the second scenario I wanted to share with you guys with a super low out-of-pocket and final cost per product. We are going to be using some CRTs in this one. So what you would pick up is 3 of the Pantene shampoos or conditioners. They're $12. 1 of the Bounty, it is $7.99. 1 of the Tide Pods, of course, those are on sale for $4.94 as well. 4 of the puff tissues, again, they're on sale for $5. Then 1 of the Dawn dish soaps. So the small 7-ounce soaps, they're 99 cents, and that'll get you over that $30 threshold. So total cost is going to be $30.92. The coupons we're going to use, we're going to get a $1 digital coupon for the Bounty, $2 digital for the Tide Pods, or you can print one from pgeveryday.com, because in the ad, it just shows the little send to card symbol. It doesn't say how much or if it's for the Gain Flings or the Tide Pods. So we'll have to see on Sunday. But of course, if that digital is not there, we can print it on pgeveryday.com. We're getting a 5 off of 3 Pantene digital, and the $1 off of 4 Puffs Tissues digital. Now, the CRTs we're going to use 3 off of 12 Hair Care CRT and a 2 off of 8 Paper Products CRT, because we're getting the Bounty and the Puffs Tissues, and both of those are included in that CRT. So we'll pay $16.92 out of pocket, get back that $10 cash card. Final cost is just $6.92 for 10 items, or 69 cents each, which is a great deal. So I'm definitely excited about that. Of course, there's a ton of other scenarios that you could do. I will let you guys know which one I'm going to do on my Sunday haul. Not exactly sure. This one has a very low out of pocket, but I do love those huge Tide liquids. So I'm probably going to try to squeeze that in there as well. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys next time.